How to make your video file smaller for submissions. Before I go into that, I just want you guys to know that I am loading up a brand new course called Fast Track to Acting, where we break down some of the speedy things you can do to get started in the industry up and rolling as fast as you can so that you can start auditioning, start booking, start working, all while trying to continue to learn and better and master the craft. Follow me on Instagram at the Dean West, and you will see me posting about all that information coming up soon. For now, let's jump into how we make our file size smaller. Okay, this is an application called Handbrake. Now, when I tapped on it, it brought me right over here. This is just some files. For example, this is a perfect example. So this was a live I did in our Conscious Creators Collective group. Okay, so this group focuses on acting as a modality to use for manifestation, self-development, along while learning the craft. But if you see here, this was the file size when I finished it. It was 2.8 gigabytes. And then once I ran it through Handbrake, it was 574 megabytes. Now, if you look, the quality of it doesn't change. It's still pretty good. Not much of a file, like a quality size change. Nice, right? Let me go here. So I'm going to use a smaller one here. Let's go to the new course that I've been working on, Fast Track Acting. I'm going to pull a video from there just so you guys can see how this works. Okay, Fast Track Acting. And for example, okay, so this is the file we're going to use. Not very long. And currently it is at 9.5 megabytes. So let's just say I didn't have it in there already. And I wanted to press open source, which will bring me back to here. Opening FTA, 9.5 megabytes. Open into there. I already have this set, but just so you know, under video, it should be the H.264. And once that is all good, I sometimes will kick the web optimize in. Good. Opening FTA, I'll leave that. Westpac downloads. You know what? I'm going to stick it right back where I'm getting it from, just so I know where it goes. It was in there under Fast Track. And we're going to leave it right there. What I'm going to do is on what it comes out as, I will change it to FTA 2 instead of 1. And then I come right up here and I press start. See at the bottom, it's beginning. Doodly-dee. Now this is a short video, so it'll be really fast. And you can see right here finishing up. Okay. Great, should be done. Bam. All right, so the first one, 9.5 megabytes, and it dropped it down to 2.1 megabytes. Here's the difference, the quality. That's the first one. Here's the one we just did. I mean, it's less than a third of the size, and it looks exactly the same. So you would take that, load it up, send it over to your agent, or load it wherever you need to go, and it'd be donesy. You're welcome. Don't forget to leave me a little like and a follow. Please comment anything, any questions you guys have moving forward. Like I said, I have the Fast Track Acting course coming out soon. I have a group membership I do for Conscious Creators Collectives, which is more of the mindset manifestation around what we can use acting for to kind of affect our daily lives. If you want to get in there, you can find me and come send me a DM. I keep it as kind of a private group, but find me on Instagram at the Dean West. I also have more episodes of the Dean West Perspective coming out soon. We are starting filming again this month, and you can find that at the Dean West Perspective as well. And you can find the podcast on all the platforms. All right, see you guys later.